Hey everyone, if you're getting an incorrect password error in your Messenger, in today's video we will show you how to exactly fix it in just a few easy steps. So let's just jump right in without any delay. Also, like, share, and subscribe. So first thing we can do is head over to the login page and you will be taken here where you need to enter up your credentials in order to log in. So here in this section, you can just go ahead and enter up your mobile number or your password of your account. So just go ahead and enter it up. And here you need to enter up your password. So what you need to do is make sure that your password is typed in correctly. If there is any kind of caps lock on your screen, you can just go ahead and turn it off by tapping on it and check out for spaces and try logging in onto your account again. And if you can again log in, then if you can't log in, then Microsoft Messenger sometimes might be just glitching. So what you can do is you can even try resetting your password. You can tap on forgotten password in your Messenger, and here it will give you it will basically ask you for your phone number and everything. What you may do is basically go ahead and enter up your phone number in the section or your email address that you have used in order to create your account, and you will get a link by SMS or email to reset it. You can just follow the prompts and set up a new password and try again. Apart from that, on your Android device, go to settings and then open it up. From here, just go to apps, and once you find it up, tap on it. Go over to Messenger. From here at the top, you can search for it. Once you find Messenger, tap on it. And then once you tap on Messenger, scroll down, go to storage. From storage, just go ahead and tap on clear cache. And if necessary, you can even try clearing out the data. That will refresh the app and often fix the login bugs. And sometimes you are just not using an updated application. So what you can do is update your app as well. Go to the Play Store application for that. And then from here, you can go to the search and basically look out for Messenger. And once you find Messenger, just go ahead and look out for update. If there's any kind of update available, you can just go ahead and update your application to the latest version and try logging in again. And that's it. That should probably fix your problem. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. And let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.